it going, everybody? Today we're out here at Morgan Lake. Just had a great day doing some fly fishing, catching a bunch of fish on the streamers. We got 1 carp, 2 catfish, and a whole bunch of bass. So hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys on the water. Alright, it is March 25th. I got my TFO black label in the 5-weight. We're running a 13-foot leader going down to some 8-pound tippet. I have a olive leech on right now. My hope is that it's just going to look like some moss or some detritus, whatever, on the bottom for some gizzard shad, because gizzard shad on the fly fight pretty hard. So, and there's not a lot of information about it, so I want to try and see if I can figure out how to dial them in and consistently catch them, because that'd be pretty cool to do. But I'll see you guys once we start to get towards some fish. Just saw some blow-ups right around this cover out here, so we'll get out there. Today should be a pretty good day. I've already seen quite a lot of carp paired up and just cruising along. So I'm walking out here. Been spooking them. I don't mean to spook them, but carp are smart and very easily spooked, so I don't do much about it. But we'll get to fishing, see what we can get. To start off. He's been eating. Look at that mouth. He is all torn up. That, or he's got some sort of infection. I couldn't tell you for sure. Spooked quite a lot of carp. Look at that. He's got somebody's ass lure in his mouth that he choked and cut it off. Well, at least he's still eating. I don't know. I don't know how you managed to do that, bud. Alright. Get that out. Well, at least get the line out of his mouth. Wish I could have gotten that lure out, but it would have killed him, fortunately. And I really want carp on the fly, man, but dude, they are just so smart. They are just so smart. And on top of being smart, they're scaredy cats, so it just makes them hard to catch. Oh, that felt big. Big carp. Like, really though, how are you a fish that big, but it's still a fucking pussy, bro? Like, it's, the carp are like the biggest scaredy cats, man. Wish they weren't. Wish they weren't. be really cool to catch. If they're just a little more predatory, you know, just had a little bit. If carp were just a little bit more gutsy, they'd be so much cooler of a fish. Alright, we're switching up to this guy, which is basically a bonefish fly. I had probably, it was probably like a 20-30 pound carp. Swam right up next to me. But carp are just such scaredy cats, man. Like even that little leech hitting the water just scared it, and it just booked it, man. I'm like, you're a 30-pound fish. Like, I wish they were just a little bit more gutsy, you know? Make them a little more enjoyable to catch, in my opinion. But it's not the way they were created, fortunately. But we still gonna love them, because once you do find a group that's got enough guts to eat, they put up a good fight. This one suspends a little bit more. It's a little more neutrally buoyant. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I think we got one, guys. I think we got one. Oh, shit. We're almost out to the backing. We'll crank down a little more. You got us out to the backing. Okay. This is 100% a carp. Oh. Oh. I had to switch it up to the tan. And he took it. He took the tan. Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Getting up to my leader. Getting up to the leader here, guys. Oh, he's swimming at me. Swimming at me. Oh, yeah. That is a fly rod carp. That is what we have been waiting for. Oh, yeah. And this guy's not even a big one. Big one right over here. I'm still happy about it, though. Neutrally buoyant, swinging in the current. That's how they wanted it. That's how this guy wanted it. This fight still is not over. There he is. Got him. Heck yes. Yes, fly rod carp. He didn't get hooked in the best spot, but you know, when it comes to carp on the fly rod, he went for it. That's all I gotta say. And you get hooked in the worst way possible there, buddy. Worst way possible. Alright. Rocky Mountain redfish, guys. Stubby one. I think this one's pregnant. Get ready for the spawn. This is stubby fish. Beautiful looking. Even though carp are ugly. I mean, carp are ugly, but they're pretty at the same time. I don't know how to explain it other than that. But get this fish back in the water. Get the release on her. There she goes. Wow. Oh, I'm happy about that. Oh, I love carp on the fly rod. It is so much fun. Oh, it is so much fun. That was a pretty long fight. Guys, first catfish of the year on the fly. Didn't hook him in the best way. Check him out. Nice little channel cat. Got that hook out. Beautiful little fish. First catfish of the year. So I made the slider. Decent bass. Nowhere near as big as the bass that I saw trying to eat the one. But still, that's a good bass. Got on that slider. Nice bass. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's a nicer fish. That's a nicer fish. Give me that mouth. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a nice bass. I think I'm gonna go back to the car, eat some banana bread, and then switch up fly rods. Sketching them on the 5-weight's fun, but it's a little tiring casting it out there, you know. Toss them back. Gets a little tiring. Got a nice fish on. Hasn't really started pulling yet. It's more just coming towards me. Like, I know if he wanted to, he could go on a run, but he's too late to run now. You've been caught. You've been caught, bass. Yeah, heavy one. This guy's probably like a 2-pounder. Nice one. Beautiful fish.